residential neighborhood. We are in third gear and reaching a stop sign. Let's see what Annika's going to pick. She says she picked 0. Okay, what are we going to do now?
1. Annika! 2. 2? 3? Annika, what's wrong with you? Whoa, she's a huge hat. Can I go to 3 now?
Okay, but there's a stop sign. What are we going to do?
We're at 0.
Okay.
Matt, run the stop sign. Can we run over the stop sign?
Cannot. Okay. At a stop sign, moving forward.
2.
First gear.
Annika, why would you run on a stop sign if this video is being recorded? We might get arrested, man.
What gear is this?
2.
Okay.
Hey, bye, it's the turtle house.
Yeah, turtle house.
Me. You think we become friends with them? They let us adopt one of the turtles. What?
Okay, 0.
Don't we need a license to have a turtle?
All right. Let's go and pick up Max.